I'm Mr. Miller. I'll be your USA World History teacher this year. Some of you may know me from ISS, basketball coach, did Red Hawk Central last year, so some of you may know me already. I'm looking forward to working with y'all this year and having a great year. I know things are kind of different this year, the way COVID has us set up, but I plan on us having a great year and just teaching y'all everything that you need to know in regards to U.S. history. My contact info is my email is Shamari, first name, .Miller at ucps.k12.northcarolina.us. I have all the information put up on Canvas so that you can have that. Cell phone number is 704-615-4882. Anytime you need information or need to contact me, you are welcome to contact me. And like I said, I'm just looking forward to having this year and having a great year and just making the best out of the situation. Thank you.